So we are in the last class, we are doing the lesson Allah is the creator, and we see some of the things which Allah create. Okay, now we are continuing over that lesson, and in this lesson we will see some more things. So we know very well who made everything. Who made everything? Who made everything? Yes,
Allah.
Allah create everything. Allah made everything. So he made everything from nothing. He made everything from nothing. He made everything from nothing. Remember, he made everything. Allah made everything from nothing because he has the power of creation. See, so Allah create everything. Allah create everything from nothing. Allah made everything. We all know this and we all believe on this. So Allah made everything from nothing. Allah made everything from nothing. Allah made everything from nothing. And so Allah create everything from nothing. So Allah create everything. Allah made everything. Allah create everything. Allah made everything from nothing. So Allah is the creator. 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 Okay. Now everything is made by the Allah. So let me clear the boxes first. So Allah is the creator. Allah is the Khalik. It's a word. The Arabic name for the creator is Al Khalik. So Allah is the Al Khalik. Allah is the creator because it creates everything. So once there was no sky, once there was no earth, once there were no flowers, once there were no animals, once there were no birds. So there were no sky, no earth, no flower, no animals, and no birds are there. Okay, okay, they are not there. Nothing is there. So Allah made everything. He made the sky. Who made the sky? Who made the sky? Who made the sky?
Allah.
Allah made the sky.
Allah.
Okay, good. Allah made the sky. He put the sun in the sky. He put the sun in the sky. Allah put the sun in the sky so that we can get the sunlight. So that we can get the sunlight from the sun. Allah made the sun. He put the sun in the sky. Then he put the moon in the sky. He put the moon in the sky. Okay. Can we see sun at night? Can we see sun at night? Say yes or no. Can we see?
No.
No, because at
No.
night there is no sun. Because if there is a sun, then it's a day. Because if there is a sun, then it's a day. So there is no sun on the night. So he put, who put? The Allah put the moon on the sky. The Allah put the sun on the sky. Allah put the stars in the sky. So everything on the sky is made by the Allah. So Allah put stars, Allah put moon, Allah put the clouds, Allah put the sun in the sky. Okay. So Allah made the earth. Allah made the world in which we are living. The world which in which we are living. The world in which we are living is made by the Allah. So, who is the Al Khalik? Who is the Al Khalik? Can anyone tell me?
Allah.
Allah is the,
Allah.
yes. Oh, who is the
Allah.
creator? Who is the creator? Who is the
Allah.
creator? Allah is the
Allah.
creator. When there
Allah.
is nothing, He creates everything. He creates everything from which? He creates everything from which? He creates
Nothing.
everything from nothing. Very good. He creates everything from
Nothing.
nothing. He creates
Nothing.
everything from nothing. He creates everything from nothing. Very good. Okay. So let me clear it. Then there is no sky. Once there was no sky, no earth, no flowers, no animals, and no birds are there. So Allah created the everything. He made the sky. He put the sun in the sky. He put the moon in the sky. He put the stars in the sky. He made the earth on which we are living. So he made the dry land. The dry land. Okay. He made the dry land. So the land there on which there is no water. The land there is no water, and we can easily walk on that land. So that's a dry land. So that's a dry land, and we are walking. If we are walking on the road, we are walking in the ground, we are walking in the garden. So basically it's a dry land, because if there is a water, then we cannot walk on it. Okay. So Allah made the dry land, Allah made the ground, Allah made the mountains, Allah made the rivers. So Allah made the mountains, Allah made the rivers, Allah made the dry land. Who created the dry lands? Who created the dry land? Yes,
Allah.
Allah created the dry land. Very good.
Allah.
So, who created the mountains? Yes, who created the mountains?
Allah.
Allah
Allah.
created the mountains. Very good.
Allah.
So, who created the river? Who
Allah.
created the river? Very good, Huzafa. Very good, Talha. And very good, Kashan. So, Allah created all the things in the sky or in this world is created by the Allah. So he made the dry land. He made the dry land. He made the mountains. He made the rivers. So Allah made these for us, because these things we need us. We need mountains. We need rivers. We need dry land. But Allah don't need them. So Allah made them for us. So who is the creator? Who is the creator? Yes. Anyone?
Allah.
Yes, very good. Allah is the creator. So Allah made everything from dash. Allah made everything from dash.
Nothing.
Nothing. Very good.
Nothing.
Allah made everything from nothing. Allah make everything from nothing. So Allah make everything from nothing. He made the sky, the moon, the sun, the clouds, the stars. Allah made the seas. Allah made the seas. Okay, he made the oceans. Means he made the dry land, and he also made the seas. He also made the oceans. Allah made everything from nothing. Allah made everything from nothing. So there is water in the ocean or not? There is water in the ocean.
Yes.
Yes, there is
Yes.
there is water in the ocean. Okay, okay, and there is water in the sea. There is water in the sea.
Yes.
Yes, yes, there are water in the sea and the oceans. Okay, so Allah made the dry land, Allah made the seas, Allah made the oceans. So Allah made everything from nothing. Allah made everything from nothing, and He is the
Nothing.
one who is the creator. He is the one who is the creator. Allah is the creator. Allah is the Khalik, Al Khalik. Okay. So who is the creator? Who is the creator? Who is the creator? Allah is the creator.
Allah.
Very good. Very good. So who made the seas? Who made the seas?
Allah.
Allah. Okay.
Allah.
Okay, very good.
Allah.
Can anyone tell me how many things we see? We see seas, we see oceans, and what things we see which is made by the Allah? Can anyone tell me one or two things that Allah can made? Yes, please.
Animals. Moon and sky.
Animals, very good. Moon and sky, very good. And
Animals. Animals and birds.
yes, very good. Animals, moon, sky, and birds. Very good. Very well done. So Allah created so many things. Okay. So He made the dry land, He made the mountains, He made the river, He made the seas,
Trees.
He made
Plants,
the
trees.
plants and trees. Very good. That's great. You guys know it very well. Okay. So Allah made everything from nothing. Allah made everything from nothing. So, who made everything without anything? Who made everything without anything, without using
Allah. Allah.
Allah? Allah.
Allah.
Only Allah can create.
Allah.
Nobody else can create. Because creation is done without nothing. Creation is done with nothing. Creation is done with nothing. And Allah is the only one which can create things with nothing. Who made everything without using anything? Who made everything without using anything?
Allah.
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 Only
Allah.
Allah can
Allah.
create. Only Allah can create. That's why Allah is the creator. Only Allah can create. That's why Allah is the creator. Nobody else can create. Nobody else can create. Why? Because the creation is done from nothing. And Allah is the only one which needs nothing to make anything. Okay, we need to cook food. What we need? We need something. We need particles. We need stuff for cooking. We need we need cookwares to cook. We need gas to for the stove. So we need so many things. Okay, we need so many things. We have to make the whole house. What do we need? We need bricks. We need cement. We need labor. So we need many things to make. If we need to make a tea, we need tea leaves.
Tools.
We
We
need
need tools.
spoons.
We
Very
need tools.
yes. Yes, what are you saying?
We need tools. We need. We need tools.
Yes, we need tools. Very good. We need tools. There are so many things we need. So, if we make tea, we need what? We need cup. We need tea leaves. We need water. We need milk. So, we need so many things. But Allah need nothing. Allah can create things from nothing. Allah can create things from nothing. Only Allah can create. Nobody else can create because creation is only done by the Allah. Allah can create. Allah is the creator of each and everything. Each and everything is created by the Allah. Each and everything is created by the Allah. Okay. So we see so many things. We see Allah made everything. He made everything from dash. He made everything from dash. Yes, please. He made everything from dash.
Nothing.
Nothing. He
Nothing.
made everything from nothing. So Allah
Nothing.
created everything from nothing. Allah created everything from nothing. So now everyone has to open the worksheet from the class era or the class light. We will start. Everyone open the worksheet. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Talha, you got the worksheet. Huzafa, you got the worksheet. Kashan got the worksheet. Talha, did you got the worksheet? Huzafa,
Yes.
okay. Huzafa, did you got the worksheet?
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay. So the first question of the worksheet is the first line is saying Allah made everything. We know this thing. Allah made everything. So he made. Who made? Allah made everything from dash. Allah made everything from dash.
Nothing.
From
Nothing.
okay. Kashan is saying nothing. Yes, Tala. What do you say? Allah made everything from dash. Yes, please. Tala and Uzafa, what are your answers? Yes.
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. Allah made everything from nothing. Made everything from nothing. Allah made everything from nothing. So the answer for the blank number one is nothing. So he made the dash in the sky. He made the dash in the sky. Yes. He made what? He made what? Allah made what in the sky? Can anyone tell
Sun.
me?
Sun.
Okay.
Sun.
Yes,
Moon.
yes, there can
Sun.
be different answers. He made the sun.
Stars.
He made the sun.
Stars.
He made the moon. He made the stars. So there are three answers, but you can write only one. So what is the one? Allah made the sun in the sky. Allah made the sun in the sky. Allah made the sun in the sky. So he made the tall what? He made the tall what? He made the
Mountains.
he made the
Mountain.
tall what? Okay, I'm giving you the hint. If you see, I'm giving you the hint. He made the tall what? He made the tall what? If you see the screen, you will get the
Trees.
hint.
Trees.
Yes, he made no. She is not tall.
The
Kindly see the screen. See my screen. I'm giving you the hint. Hint is in the block.
sky.
Yes, he made the tall
Sky.
sky. He made the tall sky. Okay, okay. I'm giving you one more thing.
Sky.
I am giving you one more thing. Okay, can this thing be tall? Can this thing be tall? Can this thing be tall? Okay. Can tree be tall or
Yes.
not? So,
Yes.
yes. So Allah made the
Yes.
tall sky or tall tree. Both are correct. Both are correct because the sky is very much tall. But the right one or the exactly look like ones is the tree. Allah made the long tree. So tree means one tree and trees means so many trees. Okay, tree means one tree and trees means so many trees. So Allah made the tall sky. Oh, what happened? Okay, it's become okay. So they are there. Okay, so Allah made the trees, made the tall trees. Okay, so Allah made the tall trees and he also made the tall sky. But the right one is the tree. He made the tall trees. So there are so many trees in the world. Can you count them? Can you count them? Can you count all the trees?
No.
No, it's uncountable. It's uncountable. If you count the blessings of the Allah, you cannot count. Allah gives us oxygen. Allah gives us food. Allah gives us water. Allah gives us parents. Allah gives us things. Allah gives us money. Allah gives us places to visit. So there are so many things. Each and everything is given by the Allah. Allah gave you the things. So there are so many things. There are so many trees. Allah gives us weather. Allah gives us trees. Allah gives us fruit. Allah gives us juices. So there are millions of things. You cannot count them. So Allah made the tall trees. Allah made the sun in the sky. Allah made everything from nothing. He made dash in every color. He made the dash in every color. So, what do you think? He made the dash what in every color?
Flowers.
Sorry?
Flower.
Flower. Okay, he
Flower.
made the flower
Bird.
in every color. Okay, very good. He made the flower in every
Bird.
color. Okay, if you
Bird.
see, there are thousands of flowers. There are thousands and millions of flowers, and every flower has different color. There is red rose, there is black rose, there is white rose, there are yellow rose. So there are
Bird.
thousands of flowers. There is pink rose. So see,
Bird.
five colors are there, and there are so many colors also
Bird.
available. Yes, yes. Someone is saying something. Yes.
Birds.
Birds. Allah,
Birds.
yes, He made the birds in every color. Yes, there are so many birds there. There are so many animals there. There are so many colors there. So there are so many colors available in the color. There are so many flower available in the color. There are so many birds in the color. So there are so many animals available in every color. So we will write only the flower. There are so many things which has different color. So we will write the flower. He made the flower in every color. Allah made everything from dash. Yes, please. Allah made everything from dash. What is the answer?
Nothing.
From
Nothing.
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 He made the dash in the sky.
Nothing.
He made the dash in the sky. He made the dash in the sky.
Sun.
Yes, please.
Sun.
He made the sun. He
Sun.
made the tall dash. Yes,
Moon.
good.
Sun. Sun and moon.
Okay, sun and moon. Okay, sun and moon.
Trees.
He made the tall dash. He made the tall dash
trees,
trees. He
trees,
made the tall trees.
trees,
Okay. He
trees,
made the dash in every color. He made the dash in every color. Yes, please.
flower,
Flower. He
flower,
made the
flower.
flowers in every color. He made the flowers in every color. Okay. You can write S, it's flowers. Okay. So Allah made the flowers in every color. So everybody write these answers in the worksheet. Everybody write it. Say yes or no.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, 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 very good. Okay, now what we have? Okay, let me clear the screen. So, what do we call it when Allah makes things out of nothing? What do we call it? Yes, it's a tricky one. So, Allah creates everything from nothing. That's why Allah called what? Creator. Allah called what? Creator. He creates things from nothing. So, He is the creator. So, He creates the thing. So, what do we call
Creator.
it when Allah makes things out of nothing? What do we call it? When Allah makes things out of nothing, it's creation. It's creation. We are a creation of Allah. Allah create us and we are a creation of Allah. We are a creation of Allah. So the answer is creation. It's Create. Create. It's create. And ION. The thing which is being created by someone. So we are the creation. We are created by the Allah. If you see, there is a word create in it. It's create. Create means to make something from nothing. So Allah made us from nothing and Allah create us. So we are the creation of the Allah. So everybody write the answer. Everybody write the answer. Everybody write the answer.
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. So, who created you? Who created you? Yes.
Allah.
Allah. Allah created us. Allah created us. Allah created all of us. So the answer is Allah. So who created you? Allah. Who created you? It's Allah. It's A
Allah.
L L A H. It's A L L A H. What do we call? What do we call it when Allah makes things out of nothing? It is called creation. So we are the creation.
Creator.
Okay. What do we call it when Allah makes things out of nothing? It's creation or the
Creation.
creator. Creation, you can say it's creation. Okay. Who created you? Who created you? So Allah.
Allah.
Allah created you. Allah created
Allah.
you. Okay. So question number one has two answers. You can write whether creation or you can write only the creator. Okay. Both answers are correct. Both answers are correct. What do we call it when Allah makes things out of nothing? It's a creator or the creation. Both are correct. Both answers are correct. Okay. Everyone got it? Everyone understand it? Say yes or no.
Yes. Yes.
That's great. Everybody done? Do you have any question? Do you have any
No.
question? No question? Okay. Everybody
No.
write the question. Everybody write the answers in the worksheet. Everybody write it. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Now, what you have to do, you have to open the assignment. You have to open the assignment from the class era. There is a small assignment given to you in the class era. There is a small assignment given to you in the class era. Okay, everyone should have to do. You can do it in the very last time. Everybody understand it? Everybody understand about the assignment?
Yes.
That's good. If you have any
Yes.
question, you can ask, or otherwise you can go and do the assignment. This is all about the today's lesson. This is all about the today's lesson.